Nima and Dawa are connected at the lower chest and share a liver. A team of 18 specialists are operating on the girls at the Melbourne's Royals Children's Hospital. The surgery is expected to last for about 6 hours. Conjoined twins are very rare and only a few are able to be separated.
I feel quietly confident that we're going to find something that we can deal with in a very straightforward manner. That's what I'm hoping. But there are challenges with these types of operations, and I think we've got the team around us to deal with those if we need to.